Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm here at the milling house, and as I talk, we began work at the milling house when Sean came after launching. Right now, we are continuing with the milling. Many people are bringing their cereals and we are making for them flour. This is very exciting and I'm very happy about everything that is going on. Yeah, we have completed around 80% of the work and we still have a lot of work to do. We have about 3 machines, but right now we are running one. So we have more two that needs to start running, and we need to complete work on the electricity and also do the plastering. So work is going on well. Kindly check out our Just Giving page and see where we have reached with the fundraising. For now, let's go and see how everything is being done.
God of Abraham, you're the God of covenant and faithful promises. Time and time again, you have proven you do just what you say. Though the storms may come and the winds may blow, I remain steadfast and let my heart learn when you speak a word, it will come to pass. Great is your faithfulness to me. Great is your faithfulness to me. From the rising sun to the setting same, I will praise your name. Great is your faithfulness to